Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Goku in Infinite Craft. So let's begin. Going to get water plus water is equals to lake and another water. Get ocean. Going to grab earth and then we're gonna need another island. Okay. Now we got continent over here. We need earth. Kick that over there and then water plant, and then we need lake, we got lily, combine that with continent, we got lotus, and then combine continent with lotus, we got Asia. Okay, remove, we're making progress, and then fire, and fire, we got volcano, with that, we got Japan, fire, we got Godzilla, and then going to add lily, we got monster, and another lily, so we can get Nim, and another lily, and Japan. And now we got anime. So next, we are almost there. Okay, we just need to grab Godzilla and Lotus. Now we got Buddha, and we got Goku. There you go. I hope you found this video very helpful.